Hey tubes, what's up? Well, thank you so much for tuning in today's awesome vlog. If you're curious on what I'm doing today in my room, I want to apologize to all of my awesome YouTube fans about the video I made yesterday. I was very stressed out about everything yesterday. I had to go to work yesterday, and plus my dad was in the hospital, and I just needed to figure out what to do. But basically, let's move on from that. But I know some of you, I got unboxing for all of my awesome fans. I know you love when I do unboxing of brand new things. What did I get? Got something for the computer over here. Basically, it's what's in this Amazon envelope. So what is it? Can anybody guess what I got? That's myself. More RAM. 16 gigabytes of RAM right here. DDR4 RAM for my computer. Awesome. But yeah, we're going to open it up and take a look at it. And let's go and have some awesome fun, shall we? Now some of you are gonna ask, why, Chris, are you doing more upgrades on your PC computer? And basically this is the last upgrade for now. I'm basically upgrading the RAM on my desktop because my desktop computer already has 8, and this will bump it up to 16 basically, and this is DDR4, not DDR3. But let's go ahead and crack this bad boy open here and let's take a look at it, shall we? And that's why these things can pop open. A bit tricky. And basically, that's what the RAM modules look like. We are going to try not to touch the bottom. We want to touch the heatsink, basically. And by the way, these are 8 gigabytes piece, total of 16, and that's basically what the RAM module looks like. Of course, you got a little sticker and you got some instructions. But let's go ahead and grab my computer and let's pop these bad boys in. I'm sorry if you can't quite see what I am doing, but basically the RAM modules are right here. If you can see, we're going to take the old ones out. Basically, these are 4 sticks a piece. Lay those off to the side, and we're going to put in the new modules. Very simple and very easy to upgrade your RAM. Now you do have a key. Make sure you find the right orientation way that these go in. Oh, tricky. I think I have them upside down. Good now. Okay, I got that in. Now you just need clip them in. Alright, once you got them clipped in, I think you're ready to go. And basically, this is how you install it. Very simple and very easy. Chris, why don't you use your own 8 gigabytes of RAM in your computer? Well, here's the thing I'm going to explain. This set of RAM here is 2400 megahertz of RAM, and these 2 sticks of RAM are 2133 megahertz of RAM. Speed means I cannot mix these with the higher speed of those RAM, and now as you kind of see, everything is working just fine. Now it is protecting my total of 16 gigs of RAM. That is awesome. And also it's recognizing the speed as well, and that is fantastic. Now you're gonna say, Chris, what are you gonna do with your 4 gigabytes module cell? I'm just gonna keep them as a backup. You just never know. But are you going to put 32 or 64 in your motherboard? At some point, but not anytime soon. But alright, there you go, guys and girls. My computer's up and running. This is the BIOS, and it looks fantastic. But alright, if you guys and girls are supporting this channel, please hit that subscribe button. Leave an awesome comment down below. Please like, please share. Peace out. We'll hopefully see you in the future vlog, and have a nice day.